Welcome. Today we'll explore pouring water, one of the earliest practical life exercises. It helps children refine coordination and experience the joy of purposeful movement. By the end, you'll know how to present this simple yet deeply satisfying activity that builds independence and concentration. You'll need a tray with 2 small pitchers, one filled with water, one empty, a sponge for spills, and a small towel. Invite the child to the tray. Pick up the full pitcher with both hands, thumbs on top, fingers below. Slowly tilt it toward the empty one until the water flows, then return it upright. Watch the water, not your hands. This focus draws attention to control. Pour back and forth a few times. If any water spills, use the sponge to wipe it carefully. Return the materials to order. The sparkle of water and sound of pouring fascinate the child. Spillage itself is the control of error. It signals that the pouring wasn't yet controlled. Avoid overfilling or rushing the pour. Later, progress to pouring dry grains, then smaller spouts and larger jugs. Pouring water teaches precision, calm, and satisfaction, foundational skills for all later practical life work.